Welcome to Italy, the ultimate travel destination that enchants the hearts and minds of millions of travelers from all corners of the world. With its rich history, stunning landscapes, magnificent art and architecture, and mouth-watering cuisine, Italy offers an unforgettable experience like no other. In this immersive video, we will embark on a captivating journey through the wonders of Italy, showcasing its diverse regions, iconic landmarks, hidden gems, and the warm embrace of its culture. Get ready to be transported to a land of beauty, history, and enchantment. A tapestry of history and culture. Italy is a living testament to history and culture. From the majestic ruins of Rome to the awe-inspiring Renaissance masterpieces of Florence, every step in Italy is a walk through time. Explore the grandeur of the Colosseum, walk the ancient streets of Pompeii, and stand in awe of Michelangelo's iconic Sistine Chapel. Italy's cities and towns are adorned with magnificent cathedrals, palaces, and museums, each offering a glimpse into the country's rich heritage. Breathtaking landscapes. Italy's landscapes are a true feast for the senses. From the dramatic cliffs of the Amalfi Coast to the rolling hills of Tuscany, the country offers an array of natural wonders. Immerse yourself in the ethereal beauty of Lake Como, hike through the majestic Dolomites, or relax on the sun-kissed beaches of Sicily. Italy's diverse terrain is a paradise for nature lovers and adventurers alike. Iconic landmarks. Italy is home to some of the most recognizable landmarks in the world. Marvel at the architectural marvel of the Leaning Tower of Pisa, take a gondola ride through the enchanting canals of Venice, and be awed by the grandeur of the Duomo di Milano. These iconic landmarks not only define Italy but also serve as a testament to human ingenuity and artistic brilliance. Gastronomic delights. Italian cuisine is a symphony of flavors that tantalizes the taste buds and satisfies the soul. Indulge in authentic Neapolitan pizza in Naples, savor the delicate pasta dishes of Bologna, and relish the rich flavors of gelato in Florence. Italy's culinary scene is a celebration of fresh ingredients, time-honored traditions, and passion for food. Explore local markets, take part in cooking classes, and discover the true essence of Italian gastronomy. Vibrant festivals and traditions. Italians have a zest for life that is infectious, and the country is filled with vibrant festivals and traditions throughout the year. Experience the opulence of the Venice Carnival, immerse yourself in the medieval charm of Siena's Palio, or join the colorful processions of Easter in Sicily. These festivities offer a unique opportunity to witness Italy's rich cultural tapestry and the joyous spirit of its people. Warm hospitality. Italians are renowned for their warm hospitality and genuine friendliness. Whether you stay in a cozy agriturismo in the countryside or a luxurious hotel in the heart of a bustling city, you will be welcomed with open arms and treated like family. The genuine warmth and generosity of the Italian people create an atmosphere of comfort and make every traveler feel at home. Off the beaten path. While Italy is famous for its iconic destinations, there is a world of hidden gems waiting to be discovered. Venture off the beaten path and uncover the charm of the enchanting villages of Cinque Terre, explore the untouched beauty of the Aeolian Islands, or wander through the historical streets of Matera. These lesser-known treasures offer a chance to immerse yourself in authentic local culture and experience the true essence of Italy. Artistic marvels. Italy is a haven for art enthusiasts, with its rich artistic heritage and world-renowned masterpieces. Marvel at Leonardo da Vinci's The Last Supper in Milan, stand in awe before Michelangelo's David in Florence, and immerse yourself in the beauty of Botticelli's Birth of Venus at the Uffizi Gallery. Italy's art scene is a living testament to human creativity and artistic expression. Enchanting coastal towns. Italy's coastline is dotted with picturesque towns that exude charm and tranquility. Explore the colorful cliffside villages of the Amalfi Coast, such as Positano and Ravello, where pastel-hued buildings cascade down to the sparkling turquoise waters below. Discover the romantic fishing villages of the Cinque Terre, nestled amidst rugged cliffs and vineyards. These coastal gems offer breathtaking views, delicious seafood, and a slower pace of life. Ancient ruins and archaeological sites. Step back in time as you explore Italy's ancient ruins and archaeological sites. Walk among the ruins of the Roman Forum and imagine life in ancient Rome. Visit the well-preserved city of Pompeii, frozen in time by the eruption of Mount Vesuvius, or marvel at the intricate mosaics of the Villa Romana del Casale in Sicily. Italy's archaeological treasures provide a fascinating glimpse into the past. Serene lakes. Italy is home to some of Europe's most beautiful lakes, offering tranquility and natural beauty. Explore the enchanting Lake Como, surrounded by lush mountains and dotted with elegant villas. Discover the romantic atmosphere of Lake Garda, with its charming towns and crystal-clear waters. Whether you choose to relax by the lakeside or engage in water sports, Italy's lakes provide an idyllic retreat. Wine and vineyards. Italy's vineyards produce some of the finest wines in the world. Embark on a wine-tasting journey through the vineyards of Tuscany, where the renowned Chianti and Brunello di Montalcino wines are produced. Explore the vineyards of Piedmont, famous for its Barolo and Barbaresco wines. Indulge in the rich flavors and aromas of Italian wines while enjoying the stunning landscapes of rolling vineyards. Majestic mountains. Italy's mountainous regions offer breathtaking vistas and thrilling adventures. Explore the majestic peaks of the Italian Alps, such as the stunning Dolomites, where you can hike, ski, or simply immerse yourself in the serenity of nature. Discover the rugged beauty of the Apennines, which stretch across the length of the country, providing opportunities for hiking, wildlife spotting, and exploring charming mountain villages. Spiritual retreats. Italy is a destination that nourishes the soul. Visit the Vatican City, the spiritual center of Catholicism, and witness the grandeur of St. Peter's Basilica and the Vatican museums. Explore the mystical town of Assisi, the birthplace of St. Francis, or visit the spiritual haven of Monte Cassino Abbey. Italy's sacred sites offer moments of reflection, serenity, and spiritual rejuvenation. Fashion and shopping. Italy is synonymous with fashion and style. Indulge in a shopping spree in Milan, one of the world's fashion capitals, where you can find designer boutiques and luxury brands. Explore the fashion-forward streets of Florence and discover unique artisan shops offering handmade leather goods and exquisite jewelry. Italy's fashion scene is a blend of traditional craftsmanship and contemporary trends. Outdoor adventures. Italy's diverse landscapes provide ample opportunities for outdoor adventures. Embark on a thrilling hike along the Path of the Gods on the Amalfi Coast, go rock climbing in the stunning Dolomites, or experience adrenaline-pumping water sports such as windsurfing or kiteboarding in Sicily. Explore the country's national parks, such as Gran Paradiso or Cinque Terre, and immerse yourself in the beauty of nature. Italy's outdoor adventures cater to all levels of fitness and offer unforgettable experiences for adventure enthusiasts. Romantic getaways. Italy is renowned for its romantic ambiance, making it an ideal destination for couples. Experience a gondola ride through the enchanting canals of Venice, wander hand-in-hand through the medieval streets of Verona, the city of Romeo and Juliet, or watch the sunset over the breathtaking cliffs of the Amalfi Coast with your loved one. Italy's picturesque settings and romantic atmosphere create unforgettable moments. Vibrant cities. Italy's cities are vibrant hubs of culture, fashion, and entertainment. Explore the fashion-forward streets of Milan, visit the birthplace of the Renaissance in Florence, or indulge in the buzzing nightlife of Rome. Immerse yourself in the energetic atmosphere of Naples, known for its vibrant street life and delicious cuisine. Italy's cities offer a blend of historical charm and contemporary vibrancy. UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Italy boasts the highest number of UNESCO World Heritage Sites in the world. From the historic center of Rome to the archaeological areas of Pompeii and Herculaneum, from the cultural landscape of the Val d'Orcia in Tuscany to the historic center of Florence, Italy's UNESCO sites represent the country's exceptional cultural and natural heritage. Exploring these sites is like stepping into a living history book. Lifelong memories. Visiting Italy is not just a trip. It is an experience that leaves an indelible mark on your heart and soul. The warmth of the Italian people, the captivating landscapes, the exquisite art and architecture, and the mouth-watering cuisine all come together to create lifelong memories. Italy's magic lies in its ability to touch your senses, inspire your spirit, and ignite your passion for travel. Italy truly is the ultimate travel destination, offering a myriad of experiences for every type of traveler. From its rich history and awe-inspiring landmarks to its breathtaking landscapes and vibrant culture, Italy's allure is simply irresistible. So, pack your bags, follow your wanderlust, and embark on a journey through the enchanting land of Italy. Let the country's beauty, history, and warmth embrace you as you create memories that will last a lifetime. Italy awaits you with open arms, ready to weave its magic and leave you forever enchanted. Subscribe now and become a part of our YouTube family. We can't wait to have you on board. Subscribe and stay tuned for more amazing content.